Cynful chicken enchiladas. Start out with your shredded cooked chicken. Rotisserie chicken works great for this. Add some cheese to it. Add your picante sauce. Some of that heavy cream. And that awesome taco seasoning. I'm going to mix all that together. Get it all nice and combined. We're going to spoon this into the middle of your tortilla. Add the cheese on the top. Just make a line down the center. Then we're going to roll it. Take that one end. We're going to pull it over. Kind of pull it tight a little bit. And then continue to roll it. And we're going to set that seam side down in the pan and top it with foil, nice and tight. Put it in a 350-degree oven for about 30-45 minutes, or 165 internal temperature. Making the sauce now that it's while that's baking. We're adding the picante sauce and the sour cream. We're just stirring it up. That's a simple sauce. But it is so good. They're out of the oven, right at 165. Now we're going to plate these however many you want, and we're going to spoon that sauce right over the top. And garnish with cheese, and I garnish with just tomatoes and cheese. You can onions, avocado, cilantro, all kinds of stuff. But there you are, the Cynful chicken enchiladas. I do have a printable and downloadable PDF file link in the description, but here's your recipe anyway. I'd like to thank you guys for coming to my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.